If you want to make sure that you will choose the right paint color for your house, you need to consider many things. Will it be expensive? How much time will it take? What is the weather going to be like? You need to know these things before you can decide on which color is good for your house. Number 1. Mix colors in a room by putting 2 different colors on the wall. This is a very good tip for people who want to paint their house but are not sure which color to choose. You can mix 2 different colors in a room by putting them on the wall. This will help you get a feel of the color that you want. Number 2. Incorporate contrast in rooms by installing wainscoting. Wainscoting is a type of wood paneling that is usually installed in the interior of a room. It looks like wood, but it's made from cork. It was very cheap and it will add contrast to your room. Number 3. Use shades of green on walls to add interest to rooms. Green is one of the most popular colors used on walls around the world. If you want to add interest to your rooms, then use shades of green instead of only one shade of green on your walls. There are many shades of green available in paint stores today, and they come in different types. Number 4. Choose a color that suits your house and decor. If you want to paint your house in one particular color, then make sure that this color suits your house and decor because it will look good if it's in harmony with the rest of the things in your house. Number 5. Choose neutral colors. If you want your home to look bright, then you should choose neutral colors for your walls. Neutral colors will help make your home look larger and more spacious. If you want to paint your house in one particular color, then choose neutral colors for the rest of the things in your house. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.